Hi everyone. In today's class, we are going to discuss on Ohm's law. Objective: at the end of this video session, you'll be able to A. Measure the electrical parameters. B. Apply Ohm's law on electrical circuits. C. Analyze the relation between the parameters using graphs. Ohm's law. What is it? Would be the most frequently requested electrical engineering interview questions. Because this law contains numerous essential and vital provisions, it would represent the fundamental law of electrical engineering. For all technical matters in electrical engineering, Ohm's law stands behind. Ohm's law was given by a German scientist, Sir George Simon Ohm. He gives the relationship based on basic electrical parameters such as voltage, current, and resistance. Ohm's law states that at constant temperature, current flowing in a conductor is directly proportional to the voltage or potential difference across the conductor and inversely proportional to the resistance.
I is equal to V by R.
Case 1. First, let us discuss on voltage and current. According to Ohm's law, voltage is directly proportional to the current. V is proportional to I. If voltage increases, current will also increase, and if voltage decreases, current will also decrease. Simply put, voltage and current are like friends. Case 2. Let us talk about current and resistance. According to Ohm's law, current is inversely proportional to resistance. If resistance increases, current will be decreased. If resistance decreases, current will be increased. Simply put, current and resistance are adversaries. Example 1. The water tank in the house is always placed at the top of the terrace. Do you know why? Yes, to create a potential energy or potential difference or force to make the water flow in the pipes. The height which creates potential difference is analogous to voltage or EMF, electromotive force. The force required for an electron movement and the water flow is analogous to the current flow.
More height will create more potential energy
and more water flow. Likewise, more voltage will cause more current flow. Hence, V is proportional to I. Example 2. Let us have a sand time clock. It allows a regulated flow of sand through small neck from the upper to the lower glass due to potential energy. Here, consider that the potential energy is voltage, the sand is current flow, and the small neck is resistance. The small neck in the timer slows down the sand flow. Likewise, resistance will slow down the current flow in a conductor. Resistance is the property of the conductor that opposes the current flow. Silver is the best conductor of electricity due to having small resistance property. What are units? If you go to the grocery store to buy sugar, the shopkeeper will ask you how much quantity you need. Then you have to reply with grams or kilograms. In this case, the gram represents the amount of sugar in units. Similarly, electrical parameters also have the units. 1. The unit of voltage is volt and denoted by the letter V or E. 2. The unit of current is ampere and denoted by the letter I. 3. The ohm unit of resistance is ohm and denoted by the letter R. Parameters: voltage, units volts denoted by letter V or E, current ampere I, resistance ohm R. Ohm's law triangle. Draw a triangle and divide it into 3 parts and name the triangle parts with parameters of voltage, current, and resistance with the letters in alphabetical order as E or V, I, and R. Taking E for voltage, A. To find the voltage in the circuit, hide the letter E. You will get VE is equal to IR. B. To find I, hide I from the triangle. You will get I is equal to V by R. C. To find R, hide R from the triangle. You will get R is equal to V by I. Let us solve some circuits. A. To find I, substitute the values of voltage as 10 and resistance as 5 value in the formula. I is equal to V by R. I is equal to 10 by 5.
I is equal to 2 ampere.
You will get current at 2 amperes. B. To find the value of resistance in a given circuit, substitute the values of voltage as 10 and current as 2 in the formula. R is equal to V by I. R is equal to 10 by 2. R is equal to 5 ohms. You will get resistance at 5 ohms. In the same way, find out the voltage by substituting the values of current and resistance as 2 and 5 respectively in the formula. V is equal to IR. V is equal to 2 into 5.
V is equal to 10 volts.
You will get voltage as 10 volts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.